activities of three radioactive substances A, B and C are represented by the curves A, B and C in the figure. Then their half-lives, T half of A is to T half of B is to T half of C are in the ratio. The formula for reactivity is R is equal to R naught e to the power minus lambda T, and ln R is equal to ln R naught into minus lambda into T, minus lambda T. Lambda is the slope of the graph, so lambda A is 6 by 10, which is equal to log 2 upon the decay constant. Similarly, lambda B is equal to 6 by 5, which is ln 2 upon decay constant of B, and lambda C is 2 by 5, which is ln 2 by decay constant of C. So TA is equal to 5 by 3 log 2, TB is 5 by 6 log 2, and TC is 5 by 2 log 2. So the ratio of proportionality of TA is to TB is to TC is 1 by 3 is to 1 by 6 is to 1 by 2, which is 2 is to 1 is to 3. So the correct answer is option 4.